Welcome, Christmas holiday enthusiasts. Today we're brewing a hot chocolate so enchanting it might just be Santa's go-to treat after a busy night of chimney hopping. Hey ladies, ever wondered what Santa craves after shimmying down your chimney? Let's whip up a cup of hot chocolate luxury with sprungly chocolate and Lindt chocolate drink, fit for big old jolly Saint Nick himself. Our festive recipe includes Lindt chocolate drink powder, smoother than Santa's sleigh ride, sprungly chocolate or Giardelli, richer than a Christmas carol, and the Aerochino, a fluffer, frother even elves would envy. Let's get started. Imagine Santa ditching his usual cookies for a sip of this. We might just start a new Christmas Eve tradition. Enter the Aerochino, not your average milk frother. Begin with luxurious sprungly chocolate, so decadent it's on Santa's nice list. Add a spoonful of Lindt chocolate drink powder. It's like a gentle whisper of snowflake, but in chocolate form. It's like having a couple of Christmas elves right in your kitchen, whipping up the creamiest, dreamiest froth. Even Rudolph was impressed. Add a dash of cayenne for that surprise twist at the top. A little like finding Santa stuck in your chimney, but hotter. A couple of salt cranks, and voila, you've got two elves and a salty Christmas in a cup. There we have it, a hot chocolate recipe that could warm even the chilliest of frozen stiff North Poles. If you're still hunting for the perfect Christmas gift, why not an Aerochino? Like, share and subscribe for more Christmas wonders. Join us for more festive recipes, click here to subscribe, and don't miss out on our special Christmas treat playlist.